Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine Glories, Chapter 10, Shloka 7. He who in truth knows these manifold manifestations of my being, macrocosm, and this yoga power of mine, microcosm, becomes established in the tremorless yoga. There is no doubt about it.
Chapter 10, Shloka 7. Etam vibhutim yogancha mamayo veti tatvatah so vikampena yogena yujyate natra samshayah.
Chapter 10, Shloka 7. Why should one understand these implications of creation from the standpoint of the individual and the cosmic minds? Macrocosmic projection of a created universe through the intervention of the 7 rishis is the Absolute's own vibhuti. The microcosmic experience of a limited world through the mind-born 4 ancient Kumaras is the divine yoga of the self in each one of us. The self that presides over the destinies of individuals is itself the absolute that forms the substratum for the entire universe. So, he who realizes both the vibhuti and the yoga as divine expressions of the eternal realizes the infinite self as absolute. This has to be realized in a subjective experience and intuitively lived as I am the self. Otherwise, when I play through the macrocosm, I serve the universe, and when I play through the microcosm, I live a tearful life. When the self detaches from the individual mind and the cosmic mind, it becomes to revel in all its absolute glory. Identifying with the cosmic mind, it becomes the creator, creating the universe and identifying with the individual inner equipment. It becomes the limited ego, suffering the limited world. To know this implication and to live up to this is the tremorless yoga, wherein a permanent and steady establishment of the experience is assured. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.